Nature has filled the night sky with wonders that seem close enough to touch, creating the illusion that stars, planets, and distant galaxies are only waiting for humanity to reach them. On a clear night, countless points of light stretch across the darkness, inspiring dreams of exploration, discovery, and endless adventure beyond Earth. Yet behind that beauty hides a reality far more unsettling than most people realize. The universe is built on distances so enormous that ordinary measurements become meaningless, forcing scientists to use light years simply to describe the vast emptiness separating one destination from another. And once the true scale of those distances becomes clear, the cosmos begins to feel less like an open frontier and more like an endless maze with no visible exit. The deeper we study space, the more we discover how isolated humanity may truly be within it. A light year is not a measurement of time, but a measurement of distance, representing how far light travels through the vacuum of space during a single year. Light moves at nearly 300,000 kilometers every second, fast enough to circle Earth multiple times before a person can even blink. Yet despite traveling at the fastest speed known to physics, it still requires an entire year to cross a single light year. That distance equals nearly 9.46 trillion kilometers, a number so large that human minds struggle to comprehend it. This is where the first dark realization emerges, because even humanity's most advanced spacecraft are incredibly slow compared to light itself. A journey spanning only a few light years would require thousands or even tens of thousands of years using current technology. Distances that appear insignificant on a galactic map become practically impossible barriers when measured against human lifetimes. The nearest star system beyond our Sun lies approximately 4.24 light-years away. A neighboring destination known as Proxima Centauri that remains completely beyond our reach today. Every spacecraft ever launched by humanity still occupies microscopic regions surrounding our own solar system when viewed on the scale of the Milky Way. From a galactic perspective, our species has barely taken its first step into the cosmic ocean. Even stranger is the fact that when we look into the night sky, we are actually looking backward through time. Light requires years, centuries, or even millions of years to reach Earth from distant objects. A star, located 100 light-years away, appears exactly as it looked 100 years ago, not as it exists today. Some of the stars visible above us may already have changed dramatically, or even disappeared entirely, while their ancient light continues crossing space toward Earth. The night sky is not a view of the present universe, but a museum displaying fragments of cosmic history. The scale of our galaxy reveals another uncomfortable truth about isolation. The Milky Way stretches roughly 100,000 light-years across, meaning even light itself requires 100,000 years to travel from one side to the other. Human civilization has existed for only a tiny fraction of that time span. Compared to galactic distances, recorded history becomes almost invisible. Human biology creates another obstacle, because even if advanced propulsion systems were developed, our lifespans remain extremely short compared to interstellar travel requirements. Reaching another star system could require generations of travelers or technologies that do not yet exist. The challenge extends far beyond engineering because maintaining a civilization across journeys lasting centuries or millennia presents problems humanity has never solved. Space is not simply difficult to cross. It may fundamentally challenge the limits of what human societies can endure. Communication across these distances creates another disturbing problem, because even contact with a nearby civilization could become painfully slow. Imagine intelligent life existing on a planet 50 light-years away. A message sent today would arrive 50 years later, and an immediate reply would require another 50 years to return. A simple conversation would consume an entire century. Meanwhile, the universe itself continues expanding, increasing the distances between galaxies every second. Some galaxies are moving away so rapidly that future travel may become impossible regardless of technological advancement. Modern telescopes allow humanity to observe objects billions of light-years away, revealing extraordinary structures scattered across the cosmos. Yet observing something and reaching it are completely different challenges. We can photograph distant galaxies, analyze their light, and study their behavior while remaining permanently confined to our tiny cosmic neighborhood. The final, and perhaps darkest realization, is that physics currently offers no proven method for traveling faster than light. Science fiction imagines warp drives, hyperspace corridors, wormholes connecting distant worlds, but none have been demonstrated in reality. As far as current science understands, light speed remains the ultimate limit. That barrier cannot be overcome. Humanity may never explore more than an insignificant fraction of the universe. Consider what that means. Hundreds of billions of galaxies, each containing hundreds of billions of stars, many potentially surrounded by planets where life could exist. Entire civilizations may be scattered throughout the cosmos, separated not by hostility, but by distance itself. The greatest mystery may not be whether intelligent life exists elsewhere, but whether those vast oceans of space make contact impossible forever. The more we learn about light years, the more the universe transforms from an endless playground into a reminder of how small, isolated, and fragile humanity truly is within the darkness of the cosmos.